all a warm welcome from the batch 2023-24 basic course painting batch. So this is the ending of our 6 months course and we are having our display of our work just to get a feeling, are we evaluated appropriate or not? Yeah? So we'll start the course, the event. We would like to welcome very senior people. Dr. Shivaji Sethi is the HOD of the graphics department from CKP. Mr. Gopal Kumar, lecturer sculpture department from CKP. The other senior members could not make it because they have some urgent thing they had to leave. So thank you very much for blessing the show. So we would request you to go, please. So we would like to give you or invite you. Some of our students would like to give it. Thank you. Yeah. Can I ask all the artists to come here, please? We started as a 20-member batch, and today you got 19, one person could not make it. We were initiated or mentored by Shri Ganesh Dodamani, our senior artist. As students, we have seen different things and different emotions. We'd like to share it a little bit today. But we would like to throw this occasion and start with an auspicious food. We thank you for all your time and come and giving this appreciation. We'd like to go with the lighting of the lamp. Come forward.
On behalf of the Chitrapura Parishad, I thanks for inviting me and HOD of the Sculpture Department, Gopal Kumar, for the inaugural function of the artist who has participated in the show. And I would like this very beautiful show. I have just gone through it. It's very nice works, beautiful works, very creative works. I wish all the artists, those who have done beautiful works here, represented that works, and on behalf of CKP, best wishes for them. Thanks a lot.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಕಂಗ್ರಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲಾ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹಾಬಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರನೇ ಹಾಬಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷ್ನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗಣೇಶ್ ದೊಡ್ಡಮನಿ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನೀವಷ್ಟು ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪಡೆದಿರೋದು ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಭಾಳ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತೀರಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರು ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you very much. So I would like to let you know that some of the students' parents are here, their relatives are here. So it's quite personal and we want to really shoot what we learned. There are a bunch of students coming with different thoughts, but we are trying to communicate through some colors, and you people have seen this. So what it means to us, we will try to show it. So all are coming from some form of an art background. So amongst us, we have this young lady named Ashwini, who is actually a dancer, and she wanted to try her hand in painting. So we thought with this good invocation, we will allow the children to first show us where we are standing and how beautiful they have started learning in the journey of dance art. So we're going to have a small presentation by her students. And on behalf of all this class of 2023, I would like to thank Ganesh Dodwani sir with a loud clap for this, for interfering and allowing us to start creating this poll.
I want you all to come here, all the artists, please. So two things I wanted to tell for the young artists and for the parents here. When I was studying in Shantiniketan, we have a 30 students batch. So one class for 15 days. So why I'm today, after seeing all the works, I'm remembering what I have studied there. So every 15 days, we have to work, and we were displaying our works like this, and three masters, very famous artist masters, they come and see the works and give the marks for what we have done. So in our class, in our team, there was one boy, Abhijit. He was very brilliant boy, very brilliant, very talented. He had a very good talent. Everyone, 29 students, we are saying he is the best. So he had a very good skill. So he was always first in the class. So when we displayed all our works, so the result was put, and the result, by seeing the work, we will know how it was. All in 15 days we did 10 works, but that fellow had done 20 works. And all 20 works are very good. So definitely we know that he is the best. But when the result comes, he was the last. He had got a very last number. And that fellow was disappointed. How it come? By seeing the works, it is very good. Quantity also is very good. You have done 10 works in 15 days, I have done 20 works. He asked the question to the teacher, why you gave very less marks? And the teacher gave very simple. That fellow, he had a very good confidence that I can do best. I am the best. I can create anything. He had a confidence and he did it. So he was working for only 2 days. 13th and 14 days, only on last 2 days he was working, and rest all the days he was enjoying his day. Remaining 29 students were working for a whole 15 days. So what teacher said that Your works are very good, no doubt. But the sincerity is missing in that. The hard work is missing. Your love towards the art is missing. So now you have done a 6 months course. You will come to know what you have done. You have done, how much time you have spent. In 6 months, what was the time you spent it? Right? How much you have wasted. If you had done still better, what would have? Right? By seeing your works, you can understand. Right? So this is how you have to be attached. When you are very attached to your work, you keep your 100%, definitely your work will shine up. So good luck for you all. And one more thing I want to tell a small, my teacher have told me long back. There was a famous artist called Sir Sargent. He was a very famous, he's an old master artist. And his works were selling like, before the show it was being sold. And he had a very good name and very famous artist. So one fellow, I think he may be about 70, 75 years age, and one guy came of 60, 65 years. He wanted to meet Sir Sargent, the artist. So he wanted to take an appointment, but they were not giving to meet him. So after 3-4 months regularly coming, his secretary said, okay, I'll ask because maybe he's maybe free because he wanted to go for the inauguration. The inauguration is late, so you can meet, they said. And he went and asked the sir that one person is coming to meet you, but he wanted to show you something. So he said, no, not necessary. Sir is coming from last 3-4 months, please have 5 minutes. He's an aged man, 60, 65. So he agrees, so that fellow comes to meet John Sargent sir. Then he had brought 2 packets with him, 2 packets. He says, sir, I'm very big fan of you. I wanted to show my small works and give the feedback. And by seeing his age, he said, okay, whatever you want to show, you just show it. So he removes 1 packet and he shows the sir. When Sargent saw the works, he felt that work was not up to the mark. It was, the composition was not good, the color scheme were not good. But how to tell that fellow, your work is not good, because he's already aged. So he said, no, you have to do little bit hard work. A little bit you have to practice, little hard work you do, it will come, he says. Then he said, okay, sir. Then again he says, sir, 1 more packet is there, just you see this work also. Then there was no option, then he said, okay, show me. Then he gave the works to him. So by seeing his works, he got shocked. Whose work is this? So he said, it is my work. And what he showed in the first packet, whose work was that? That was also my work. Then he said, the artist said, oh, that was the older work when you did in the child, when you was in children. And what you are showing now, it is now you have done. He said, no, sir, it is not like that. The 1 packet, what you have seen, I have done now. The best work, what you are seeing, I have done in my childhood. So, if I had a very good guru like you, I should have become a good artist like you. So, you all are standing in that role for helping them. Because they are coming from the different background. This is just a 6 months course they have joined. So in that 6 months, they have shown a very talented work. So I really thank you all for encouraging them and bringing up. Thank you. And Chitrakala Parishad is also, we have, I really thank Chitrakala Parishad because here, this institute is standing for artists. We have a regular 5 years course. It was here and it has been shifted another campus. But what to do this college, they have started a unique college here. And plus they have already, because some artists who are working, they are working in softwares, they wanted to learn art. So evening college also they have started. And who wanted to do a short-term course also they have started. So this Chitrakala Parishad is helping for all the art. Who want to love art, it is open to them. For 6 months course, 5 years course, or evening college also they can come and join. So I'm really thankful for Chitrakala Parishad also. Thank you. So I want you people to speak some words.
Good evening, everyone. I'm really happy that all of you took out time and came here. I loved art. I usually used to do most of the days from my childhood, but never got time to do it with techniques and never learned to that. So, I thought, let me check out some places where I could learn art. And while I'm a psychologist, so whenever I was talking to some of my clients, I realized that I like putting emotion in my art. So then I thought that, how do I put it into my art? Then I started putting colors and everything related to that. And after that, when I came here, I was very nervous. I was extremely nervous. I didn't have that confidence that I would be able to put my art like in frames. I never thought that this was my dream actually. And I did not have that confidence that it will go up on the walls. Then because of Sir Dodamani, Ganesh Dodamani, because of his, guidance, I was able to get it, keep my dream come true. So really appreciate Chitrakala, and really it is a dream come true for me. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. For me, my art journey began when I was young. I used to doodle in the notebooks and in the textbooks. My full notebooks would be full of these anime characters and all these eyes and hands and all. But as I went to UC and my degree, which I left, there was a break of art. There I realized, I came to Chitrakala and we spoke to the faculty and all the teachers, and they encouraged me to do this course, and they were very encouraging. So I signed up for the course and left my degree. And I was very nervous to attend. I have little anxiety and it was very, very nervous for me. And first class I went, sir, I missed, because I was not well, I missed few classes. Sir came and sat with me and we went through all the things he had done. And that was okay, this sir is really good and he'll really help me. And throughout the classes, he taught us all so many things, and he gave his insights and all his thoughts, and that encouraged us and helped us. And this journey has been wonderful. Thank you so much, sir. Without you pushing me to come here and do all these things, it would not have been possible. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all for coming here today. I just want to share my journey. Personally, as a child, I've always dreamt of, studying here, but then I was not allowed to. So there was a lot of restrictions as to, this is a waste of time and energy. Why do you want to do this? Why do you want to take a break and do this? So after my master's, I took a break for 6 months and enrolled myself to this, and finally allowed myself to come and participate in art, which I really love and which I'm really passionate about. I would really like to thank Sir. Thank you so much, sir. So this course has not only been for art, but I feel like we've also learned a lot of lessons in life, and how Sir's stories at the end of the class and everything were really touching, and we really gained a lot of insight. So I'm really, really grateful. This is really a big dream come true for me. So thank you so much, sir, for everything.
I would now like to request Shivaji sir to distribute the certificates for all the people who have completed the course. I'll call by the names. Please come forward. Shrina Rupani. Would you like to say a few words?
Good evening to all. I am the mother of Zara Vegas, who spoke some time back. I come from Mangalore and I'm not from here. And for me, and I have not any artistic tendencies, nor any affinity towards art. So for me, first of all, to understand that my daughter wants to learn art was a very difficult thing to digest and not go through studies and getting job and things like that. It was very difficult. And it has been an emotional journey for us. And when she said that she wants to learn art, we thought of Chitrakala because that's the most famous place in Bangalore for us. And we came here and they were so very nice in the office and so very encouraging. She joined a bit late. But I think Sir has been very instrumental in her completing the course and sticking to it and letting her creativity come through. And for me as a parent, I was very proud today to see Zara. I see her work here and I feel proud to say I am the mother of Zara, who is a budding artist, and I hope to see more work from her. Thank you, sir, from the bottom of my heart. You know very well what the journey has been, and your encouragement has played a very big role in what she is today. So thank you very much. And thank you to all the companions here. I came here yesterday and I spent such wonderful time with all her classmates, so to speak, different, but so encouraging and so supportive and so very talented. And sitting here, this whole place gives up so much of energy and positive vibe. It's so very amazing. So thank you to all of you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your good words. Anyone else would like to speak? So we bring this inauguration event to an end. I will request all to please have the refreshments. And if you still want to go around, please see everybody's work. So thank you very much from our side.